Hi, I'm Jim Voelz. I'm graduate professor of exegetical theology at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis, and I'd like to invite you to join me in a workshop on hermeneutics, on principles of biblical interpretation. You know, it's hard to overestimate how important the principles of biblical interpretation are, because usually that's where the arguments lie. When you're doing a parable, can you find features that have meaning all through the parable, or is there only one meaning? All of these are hermeneutical kinds of questions. We'll go through my new parish hermeneutics. So I think you'll be very interested to see what I've got here. I think it's very usable for Bible classes. Hope to see you, and we will have a good time talking about principles of biblical interpretation.